If you need to create a new collector in SurveyMonkey, especially a free one, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. This is a simple way to start collecting responses from your survey, whether you want to embed it on a website or share it as a link. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. After that, click on your survey so you can open the project you want to collect responses for. This is the survey you'll be publishing and connecting to a collector. Next, look for the option to publish your survey. Click on Publish Survey to begin setting up how people will access it. SurveyMonkey will now show you the collector options available for your account. If you're using a free plan, you'll usually see only two collector types available: website and share a link. These are the most common free options, and they're perfect for getting responses without needing a paid plan. In this example, we're going to use the website option, so click on Website. This is the collector type you want if you plan to embed the survey on a page or use website-style collection tools. After selecting Website, SurveyMonkey will take you to the Embedded Survey Setup area. Here, click on Embedded Survey. This tells SurveyMonkey that you want to create a collector specifically for placing the survey directly on a site. Once the Embedded Survey option opens, you'll see the setup screen for that collector. At this point, click Copy. This copies the embed code or collector information you need to place the survey on your website. If you're working on a blog, landing page, or business site, this is the step that makes the collector usable in your web page editor. After copying it, go back to the collectors page. Click back to All Collectors, and you'll now see that your survey has more than one collector available. In this case, you should see your original collector plus the new website collector you just created. That means your new collector has been successfully added, and that's it. You've now created a new collector in SurveyMonkey. From here, you can choose the collector that fits your needs, whether that's embedding the survey on a website or sharing it another way. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.